Hello YouTube, I'm back again. This time we're gonna do a Silky Girl haul for the Channel U eye makeup contest, which is what Channel U gave me for the prize for the eye makeup contest. So let's get started. I have this Silky Girl blusher. I haven't opened it up yet. As you can see, it's pretty new. It's in rose petal, so it's really pinkish and nice, I guess, especially for young people. I guess actually all ages can use it to make them brighten up their skin and make them look good. Okay, next would be the Silky Girl Hydra Clean Makeup Remover for face, eyes and lips. It's gentle for your skin and good to remove waterproof makeup. Next would be this eyeshadow, Silky Girl eyeshadow, which has silver, blue, purple and pink. As you can see, I haven't used it yet because I have not been going out to many events which require me to put on makeup, so hence there, it's still wrapped in plastic and new. And next would be this BB cream. Yeah, it's in Radiant and it's SPF 25, oil free and fragrance free. BB cream will be used to cover up your flaws, and it can act as a sunscreen when you go out and to moisture your face. And then there will be this sweet blush lipstick. It's something like that. Silky Girl number 1. Yeah, it's a lip color for your lips to give you an extra color. This concealer, if you can see, it's Silky Girl concealer. It's like this. It's number 2, medium, for I guess medium skin and to conceal all your pimples and stuff. I have lots, man. Oh no. And of course, another lip color. It's the Moisture Max one. If you follow Silky Girl products, it's the number 07. It is this orangey color. Can you see it? Yes, orangey-ish color. I guess it's good for like summer or autumn. And now it's winter, so I won't suggest using it, but you can if you want. And of course, there's this lip gloss, this lip color. You can see it's also by Silky Girl. It's Amber. It's 01 Amber. Yep, it looks pretty cool. I was really excited when I first received this box filled with Silky Girl products, and it's said to be worth $200, so I really don't know, but I'm really excited about it. And I have another gentle eye makeup remover from Silky Girl. But I forgot to mention that it's 110 ml, and this makeup remover for face is 100 ml, so you can see the size difference. Oopsie, I think it's 2. Yeah, you can see the size difference. One is for your whole face and the other one is for your eye makeup. You always have eyebrow pencil. It's in dark brown. Ta-da! I think you can see it better this way. Yeah, and it has this cool little brush thingy, and I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm really excited to use it. Okay, and of course, when there's eyebrow pencil, there's always mascara. You can never forget your mascara. It makes your lashes look really long and nice. And it's this high definition mascara. I'll show you how the wand looks like. Yeah, it looks something like that. You can go for like your individual lashes. It makes them look longer and nicer, make your eyes look brighter. Oopsie, sorry, it's going out of the camera. Yeah. So the mascara. And of course, with the mascara, there'll always be a gel liner. Gel eyeliner, as you can see, for double intense gel eyeliner. It's waterproof and you can do it such a nice design like that. Ta-da! It says Silky Girl double intense gel eyeliner. And the cool thing is, here's the brush. It's like zoop, and let me open it. Here's the eyeliner. It's like really dark. It's really dark. Yep. Okay. And then next, no, that's not the last, sorry. Cute little foundation pack. It's called Magic BB powder foundation, SPF 20 PA+, shine free, and it retains the skin's moisture level. I'll show you how it looks like. It looks something like that. Can you see? Oh, look, I'm recording and you can see me. Yeah, and this is the color, and this is the powder puff. Yeah. And last but not least, I really love this. Is this? Look, it's so pretty, right? Ah, yeah. It's actually a USB device. Yeah, it's really so pretty. I really fell in love the first time I got it. So these are the products I got from Channel U, and which are sponsored by Silky Girl. So thank you, Channel U. Thank you, Silky Girl. I really appreciate it, and it was really nice taking part in your contest. It was really a surprise for me to win all these products. And yeah, the products that I've used is this eye mascara, and it's really good. And if you want to get an eye mascara, go for Silky Girl High Definition. It's really nice. So yeah, that's all from me now. If you want to see the eye makeup I did, I'll put a photo at the end of my video, and the reasons that I submitted in order to win these awesome prizes. So I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!